Hi, good morning everyone. Today I have another unboxing of a small Hermes haul. But what's special about this haul is that I actually got 3 items all in the same color. So this is the 2019 seasonal color in mauve, sylvestre, and I really like this color. I think it is the second best color, best pink in the Hermes color series. My favorite pink is actually rose sakura, but I really can't get it at where I am. So today we'll unbox 3 items. They're of the same color and I got all of them in 2021. I actually can't remember which item is which, so I'm equally excited to unbox this with you guys. Maybe let's just start off with the square, the smaller box first. So my favorite pink is actually rose sakura, but I can't. It's always not in stock at where I am. So today's the first piece is fashion jewelry. Let's see what this is. Okay, yeah, it's my Kelly double toe bracelet in, I think this is rose gold or gold hardware, and this is in T1 size if I'm not mistaken. So I really love how I got into this Kelly bracelet is that I saw this on the shelf, and the moment I saw it, I asked the SA to let me try it on, but they actually ran out of my sizing the first time. So I was like, okay, fine. And then I came back again of some time later, and I got it. So this is made in Paris as usual, and this is the Z stamping that you see here. So this is made of swift leather, which is a more fragile leather, but so far it has 0 scratches, and I think it's a thicker piece of leather compared to the bags. So sorry, I'm talking while trying to put this on. To be honest, usually I get my boyfriend to put it on for me, so it's much easier, but since I need to talk about filming, let me just get this on. So this is a diagonal, there's a shape here that you lock it, and this is how it looks like on my hand. I tried this on together with Etaupe, which is the classic neutral color, but Etaupe looks too dark on my skin, and I think that this mauve sylvestre, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, sylvestre, is a 2019 seasonal color, and it has a tinge of purple in it, which actually brightens up my skin tone. So I really love it. This is the first piece. Okay, now moving on to the second piece. Okay, let me just leave this here to know that I've unboxed it. Maybe let me open up this one first, the bigger one. Okay. Can you guess what this is? Oh, okay, yeah. This is the Bastia coin purse in the same color. See, it's so cute, and it's chevre goat mysore goat skin. I think individually it's already a standout color, but it's really cute when you are able to collect all of them because it's like a matching set. So this Bastia coin purse out of the Hermes SLG family, I think this is you can only really use it for coins. Other things I use it is more for very small catch-all, keys, or you can use it to put, like, let's say I need to put a necklace on the go, or I want to remove my bracelet and store in my bag, and maybe I'll put it on the car. I use this, but sometimes for Bastia it's not as functional as the other SLG that Hermes or Chanel, LV have, and really it makes me happy looking at it. I had a red one previously, which I sold off after a year because I just wasn't using it, and I told myself I would never get a bastia coin purse again. But after the SA offered me this, because I was asking for a rose sakura, but I mean it doesn't come in that offer, and I saw this, I was like, yes, I'll get it, not to use it that much but just to look at it. So you can see the saturation of the color is actually slightly different as well. This is in chevre mysore goat skin, which is green, and this is completely smooth in swift leather. I actually love swift leather a lot in terms of the touch and feel, but in terms of maintenance, I'm not sure how this will fare. So this is the second piece. And now, moving on to the last piece. I know what it is already because I bought 3 items, right? So this is the last one in the same color as well. Yeah. I always thought they don't have this at where I am, but when I went to another outlet, I saw this. I was like, oh my god, I want this. This is the guernesey card holder. So it opens up, it's really unique. Opens up the 3 ways, so we can put a card slot here, a card slot here, a card slot here. I tried to max it out, but it's about 2 card slots per slot, which is about maximum of 6 before it feels a bit get a bit uncomfortable. I would suggest damaging or stressing your leather this way. So you close it this way, and it's really thin, or you can feel free to close it this way as well. So this piece is also made of chevre mysore goat skin, which means it's exactly the same as this. It's the same material. Compare it to swift leather. So it's a cute little set if you have any mini coin purse and you need to bring your phone and your cards, obviously, and have some coins or small leather goods, small change. It will just be a very thin set in your bag, just like that. Like you can have it as a set and you take it out, and it's like so cute. Yep, that's it. This is so far my collection for mauve sylvestre. I initially wanted a picotan in this color, but after having 3 items in this color, I feel that maybe this purplish pink is a bit too seasonal or too bright for a bag. And imagine if I have these 3 items and carry a bag the same colorway, it could be a bit overdone. So I think I won't really continue to look out for a bag in this color anytime soon, but collecting small pieces like leather goods, accessories in this color, I really enjoy it. And for those who are looking as an alternative to rose sakura or are curious about this color, hope this video is helpful. And for me personally, my favorite 2 leathers, other than it's probably mysore goat skin. I have the most number of items in this piece. Swift leather feels really luxurious and buttery soft, but so far there's 0 stains at all or 0 scratches. You can see it's really a perfect piece of leather. But let's see. Do let me know down in the comments below what you think about this color and whether you like it. Do you collect any other pinks? What is your favorite pink, if any? And thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.